Hi, I'm Jen with APS EdTech. We're going to talk about calendar-related Keep events today. Go ahead and like and subscribe before we get started so you don't miss any of our EdTech updates. The first thing you'll need to do is open your calendar. Select a calendar invite. From there, open your invite. Click on Google Keep on the right side panel of your screen, this little yellow square with the light bulb. Once you click on the little yellow square, take a note. Title your note however you wish. Take your note. Close your notes. Close your calendar invite. Now, whenever you click on your calendar invite and open it, all of your Google Keep notes, related notes, will appear at the top when you open your calendar invite. So you'll have everything accessible for you. Hope this helps with keeping organized. I hope you enjoyed this APS EdTech quick tip. Don't forget to like and subscribe.